Hello there. I'm out today. I've been taken out to visit Basildon Park. Yes, I'm not quite sure where it is, but it's somewhere, and my friends have taken me there, and I'm going to show you some lovely pictures that I've taken of it. It's a big mansion in the countryside. As you can hear, the gardeners are busy grinding up branches that they've been cutting off, and it's great stuff. This was built, by the way, I don't know, 200-300 years ago, not very sure, doesn't really matter, but it was built for a man who made a fortune in the East Indies, yes! Do you know, Jesus says that he's preparing a place for us in heaven even as I speak. And I don't know what it is. One version of the Bible says he's preparing a mansion for us in heaven. Well, I don't suppose it's like this one, but I tell you what, it'll be even better. Bye!